Man, what's up with y'all? It's Jay Cleasy, and we back again with another video. Today is a special video. Today I'm gonna be teaching y'all something. All my music people out there, I'm gonna be teaching y'all something. So one of the most important techniques in making music, if you're mixing your own music or you're mixing it for somebody else, EQing is probably like one of the most important things you can be doing, because it really shapes the sound of the vocal on how you want it to sound. If you want it to sound boomy, if you want it to sound bright, if you want it to sound, if you want more presence, if you want less presence, less harshness, like EQ is the thing to do that. So first things first, I'm not gonna waste y'all time. I'm gonna play y'all the results. So let's play them. And before we get started too, I want to make it clear that all these plugins that I'm using are stock plugins. I wanted to make this video because I know a lot of people don't really have like Waves plugins or third-party plugins for real. So I made this for the community so everybody can follow along and stuff. But we are sacrificing a little bit of quality. I have noticed that like stock plugins, I mean, they do get a job done, but not as good as the third-party plugins. But that's all right though. We gonna still work with it though. So here's the song we're gonna be working on.
Studio late nights in my feelings, trying to perfect my craft. Shit been crazy lately, I've been thinking about my dad. My young boy growing fast, I'm trying not to crash. I'm trying to give him everything that I never had. I lost my brother to the streets, it let me scar deep. Feel all alone, I'm by myself, that shit bother me. White bird tears, mama crying, she just wants some peace. My mind racing long, never sleep. Working hard, don't never leash. Call my phone, I'm out of reach. I've been going through some change, they don't never check on me.
So that's a little snippet of the song, you know. We recorded this back in 2021, 2022, around that time. It's probably 2022 for real, but yeah, not too old. But we're gonna get straight into the EQ though. So first I'm gonna play y'all the vocals with the EQ on and without the EQ on.
Studio late nights in my feelings, trying to perfect my craft. Shit been crazy lately, I've been thinking about my dad. My young boy growing fast, I'm trying not to crash.
Here it is with it.
Studio late nights in my feelings, trying to perfect my craft. Shit been crazy lately, I've been thinking about my.
So first things first, man. When you're mixing vocals, this is my approach to it. I want to take out all the bad stuff before I add the good stuff. So basically, what I first do with anything is I take off the low end, because we don't need that. Usually I'll probably go around 100 to like 150. In this case, I cut it at 124 hertz, as you can see right here. Follow up with another dip close to 200, because that's like the boomy boxy. Like, let me play that for y'all. The boomy boxy sound that nobody likes.
To the streets, it let me scar deep.
You hear?
Feel all alone, I'm by myself, that shit bother me. White bird tears, mama crying, she just wants some peace. My mind racing long, never sleep. Working hard, don't never leash.
Next, I took out some frequencies around 518 hertz, and I took about 5 dB away from it. That's what that sound like.
Call my phone, I'm out of reach. I've been going through some change, they don't never check on me.
That real nasally sound. We don't want that nasally sound, so we just take that down a little more. 5.
Money make them do the strangest, now they wanna sex on me. You can keep the clout and fame, I just want the fam to eat. OTF, I feel like Dirk, I'm only with the family. Lost my pops when I was 5, that shit had made a man of me. T-Rock back and forth to jail.
And then we have the harshness. The harshness usually lives between 2K hertz and like all the way to 8K hertz for real. So you kind of want to be careful around there. And that's what I mean by harshness. That shh, shh, shh sound. That nasty sound. You don't want to hear that throughout the whole like song. It gets annoying and start hurting your ears for real. So I took that out.
Sending pictures through the mail, state to state in different cells. Mama stressing late on bills. Ain't nothing come between our love, we made a bond.
Took out some more harshness around 3K.
Court case money for a pill. Lawyer pay, don't care the bill. I looked up to you when I was young, like this nigga real. Hard of a line, this nigga crazy, he'll fight a bear. Every time I think about my bro, that make me shed a tear.
And then finally, I boosted the highs around 8K. a little over 4 dB, and that's to like increase the clarity of the vocal.
If I ain't had nobody, I got you. I know you by my side.
That's
so
without
slow
it.
Down, you speed racing, you gon' have your time. Ain't no need in racing, just.
It's real slight. It's real slight. It's real slight. Usually after all the compression is done, it's this EQ right here, and I'm just taking out more bad frequencies out here and boosting the good ones. So again, we have that boominess right here with 100 hertz, and then around 300 hertz, 291 hertz as well. I'm gonna play that for y'all so y'all can hear it.
You patient, you know that's key to life. On the other side, the grass is green.
That's boomy. It's boomy. Want to take that all the way out. Next.
I'm just trying to live my life. And any nigga ever wrong me, he gon' have to pay the price. Actual run, I've been ballin' since my coach was Fisher Price. Diamonds clear, check the ice. My cloudy days, I made them bright.
Same concept, y'all. Same concept. Again, we have a little harshness around 5K, 4.6K.
They'll send the money to the.
Ooh, that's real. Like, you can hear it. That just hurt my ears for real. So we take that down.
The man, they was facing life. Feel all alone, I'm by myself. That shit bother me.
After EQing, the next important part in vocal mixing is compression. But we gonna get into that next video. Stay tuned for next video for that. That's right under EQing for real, if not above it. But yeah, so yeah, we just gonna play the song through. Y'all need to let me know what y'all want to see next from me. I can make a whole bunch of mixing tutorials, so let me know if y'all still want those. If you're still watching, I appreciate you watching it to the end. Stay tuned for the compression video, and then also stay tuned for the stock plugin mixing template coming out soon. So yeah, this is Jay Cleasy. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.